Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, Parallels versus Bootcamp. Which one's better? Let's find out. Parallels is a virtualization software designed for Mac users who need to run Windows or other operating systems alongside Mac OS without rebooting. It is ideal for professionals, students, or developers who want seamless access to both environments at the same time. Key features include instant switching between Mac OS and Windows, drag-and-drop file sharing, and support for Windows 11 on Apple Silicon chips, which means even newer Macs can run Windows applications without compromising performance. Its strengths are convenience, speed, and regular updates that keep up with Mac OS versions, ensuring compatibility with the latest features and security improvements. For example, you could run a Windows-only accounting app alongside your Mac workflow without having to restart your machine. However, it requires an annual subscription, and it can use significant system resources when running heavy apps like video editors or large-scale development environments. So, having a Mac with higher RAM and CPU capacity is recommended for optimal performance. Bootcamp, on the other hand, is Apple's built-in utility that lets Intel-based Mac users install Windows directly on a separate partition. It's perfect for those who need full native Windows performance for gaming, 3D modeling, or specialized software that demands maximum hardware access. The main advantage is that it runs Windows natively, giving maximum speed and direct access to hardware components like the GPU, which makes it ideal for graphics-intensive tasks or high-performance computing. The drawbacks are that it's only available for Intel Macs, requires a full reboot to switch systems, and doesn't support Apple Silicon models, so users with newer Macs like M1 or M2 cannot use Bootcamp. For gamers or engineers who rely on Windows-only software, Bootcamp can provide smoother performance and better stability than running a virtual machine. In short, Parallels emphasizes convenience and flexibility, allowing you to multitask and use both Mac OS and Windows simultaneously. Bootcamp, on the other hand, focuses on raw performance and full Windows compatibility. Power users and gamers who need maximum speed and hardware access might prefer Bootcamp, while multitaskers, developers, or professionals running multiple apps at once will likely lean towards Parallels. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value seamless integration or maximum performance. Both are great tools, each designed to meet different needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more Mac and Windows comparison guides.